Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this very beautiful wrist warmer. Make a slip knot, make chains, measure these chains with your wrist. Skip 2 chains, 1, 2 chain, yarn over, go to third chain, pull through all of them, yarn over, go to next chain, make half double crochet, yarn over, go to next chain, half double crochet, make 1 half double crochet in each chain. Make half double crochet in last chain, make 2 chains, yarn over, turn it, go to this stitch from this loop, front of a stitch, make a half double crochet in each stitch. Go to last stitch, make 1 half double crochet, make 2 chains, turn it. In this row, yarn over, go to first stitch from back loop, from back loop, insert your hook in these yarns. Make 2 chains, turn it, in this row, stitch from these yarns. And repeat these rows. Make a slip knot. Make chains. I made chains. Measure this chain from with this piece. From here until here. And now we have 1, 2, 3 more chains. Skip 2 chains. Go to this chain. Make 1 single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in each chain. Make single crochets in first row. One single crochet in last stitch. 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over. Go to next stitch from front loop, this loop. Make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, skip this stitch, skip this stitch, skip this stitch, go to next stitch from front loop. Make 1 double crochet, make a chain, skip this stitch, go to next stitch, make a double crochet, 1 chain, skip this stitch, make 1 double crochet in next stitch. Make 1 double crochet in last stitch. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, go to first stitch, 1 double crochet, make a chain, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, go to next stitch, from here 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, go to next stitch, 1, 2 double crochet, 1 chain. In this row 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 2 double crochet and 1 chain in each hole. Make 2 double crochet in last chain, make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 chains, turn it, 2 yarn over, 1, 2 yarn over, skip these chains in this stitch, 1, 2 stitch, skip 2 stitch, go to this hole, bring yarn in this hole, insert your hook in this hole, bring yarn, pull through, pull through, pull through 3 times, 2 yarn over, pull through, pull through, pull through 3 times, 3 yarn over, pull through, pull through, pull through, 3 yarn over, make treble crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 treble crochets, 2 yarn over, skip 2 stitch, 1 2 stitch, insert your hook in this stitch and make treble crochets. Now we have 5 stitches in each stitch. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 2 yarn over, skip this stitch, go to this stitch, 1 treble crochet, 2 treble crochet, 3 4 5, and repeat for this row. 4th treble crochet in this stitch and 1 treble crochet in last stitch. Make a chain, turn it, make 1 single crochet in each stitch until 3rd stitch in this group. Make single crochet in each stitch, in 3rd stitch 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 single crochet, make a single crochet in each stitch. In this group, make single crochet in each stitch, in 3rd stitch 1 2 3 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in each stitch from 3rd stitch in this group. Make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet in each stitch and continue. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet in 3rd stitch, 1 2 3 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet in top of these chains. Now we have to piece and join these pieces together from here. Fold it from this row and join together. Join these pieces together with single crochets. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch.